So, hello guys, today we are looking to do maintenance on fridge, a Liebherr fridge with two zones where we have drawers. In the lower zone you can even select between 0, -2 or 6 degrees. So you have vegetables and you also have some meat if you can, so fresh meat, you can have it there for a couple of days. And I noticed that some debris or some rest of foam, and the refrigerator is not working as efficient as it should be. So today I've decided to disassemble it and look to see if in the evaporator and we have anything there that should not be. So let's do this then. So this panel you see there, exactly in the middle now of the image, you have a small covers. These covers we need to take it out to have access to the screws, and then take the complete cover out. So unscrewing the low panel, 4 screws. This will take also this part here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this cover will get out. So side covers, you take it out and you are having, these are breakers, so to make the panel secure here. And now we have to find exactly there. You see, yeah. So if you take this out, for example, you move it to another position, then you have also access to the breakers. So this is a very good solution to avoid having screws here. So a very nice solution to take the panel out. So there you have also some slots that you have to trigger to get it out, to separate this part from the lower part. Yeah, exactly. So once you take this to push it here, then the whole cover is going out and you have access to the next layer. So once this also fixations were getting out, we have access to the cover, and it should now get away from exactly. So this part we need to take it out, and it's just with clamps just to take it out. And then once this part is get out, so you have access to this cover, and you can see there's a lot of material which is there, and it's just making, and these are the mechanisms that regulate the cool and the temperature of the waters, of the drawers. So you have a sensor there and another sensor there, and this is having an electro engine that it's opening and closing the air from the cooling system to give more or less cool air. So now we are continuing to dismounting, because this is exactly the part. So here on the top we don't have so much problems. We can see here it's clean. We have also there the sensor that is measuring the temperature on the over part. And so we have 3 zones, 1, 2 and 3 zones in this refrigerator. So let's continue to dismantle it. So now we can already inspect the motors, so the selectors. So, oh, this is clean. So we can see it's not, let's say, stopped or blocked or anything. So be careful with the cables. And so this is one of the motors, and we have a second one, and oh, this one is the, so you see this is the one who is being who is damaged, so to say. So you can see there, this is the one who is damaged, and I'm afraid that this one is really damaged. And even the motor seems there to be some contamination. Below it seems to be okay, so I will not continue to take out complete the panel, because I saw already where the problem is. And also on the top, so everything is okay. This one is also clean, working correctly. So be careful when assembling, putting everything again as it should. And let's continue. So this is the damaged part, and we have a leak. So something inside has gone wrong. Yeah. I have ordered already one online, costed around 74 euros here in Germany. I found it very easy, introducing the number that is written on the device. So this number here, if you put 787-2000 and the NSB C112, so you find it. There's an online store, Krembro, that sells it for 73 something plus transport costs. So I've ordered already, but it will take around 8 days. So meanwhile, I will just assemble everything. I don't have to take the complete panel off, because I saw already inside also that is clean. Here also, when I dismantle, it's clean. So the only problem was this one, and this is regulating the temperature for the drawer in the -2 or 0 or 6 degrees. So you can choose it here, 0, -2 or 6 degrees. So, and even the 6 degrees, exactly the 6 degrees, it's for the BioFresh, exactly for this the first drawer. Below you have normal. I think it's around 10 degrees. Or for, I don't know, I cannot, I don't know now by memory. It's for the vegetables, these two drawers. The first one, you have 3 temperatures you can choose. That's good, that's great. So now we are assembling again the screws, and I will there then switch on and check if the devices are working. Let's see. This is what happens when it needs cold. It opens the doors. In fact, this one is working, but I ordered one anyway because it's really very, very full of liquid, and the isolation material is damaged, so I would just replace it. But the other one is also working, so now let's work in. So I turn it on. We'll disconnect the alarm. So this one is closed. You see, it will open. So when it's required, then it will open. So let's see if it's opening now. So I can see, you can see here, I can select 0, or I can select even 6 degrees. And this will just change to give me the temperature I want, and I want -2. So, because here I have always some flesh, some meat, and it's always good to have it -2. So, I put the good one that was on the top and the bottom, so I don't have to take all this cover, all this. It's much more, and all the panels here. So this is much easier to just take it inside to the top side and take it out and replace this one with a new one. So, and as soon as it arrives, it is then very easy to replace. Exactly. So now I just clean up all the drawers and wash everything and assemble everything together, and I will show you afterwards.